We are going to review top 5 best air compressor for heavy-duty trucks. List number 1. RAYTEEN 12V Portable Air Compressor. This unit is equipped with an automatic thermal overload protector that will cut off the power to prevent damage to the unit once the air compressor works at an unsafe temperature. The thermal overload protector will restart the air pump automatically once the unit returns to a safe operating level. Do not touch the unit with bare hands during or immediately after use. List number 2. GSPSCN Silver Tire Inflator with Portable Bag. GSPSCN Heavy-Duty Double-Cylinder Design. Maximum pressure 150 psi. Airflow 70L/min. Inflate standard vehicle tire in 1.5 minutes. Rubber feet to make sure the 12V air pump stays where it is placed and does not move around during operation. Make the air compressor more powerful. Effectively reduce the vibration and noise. In the direct drive of the motor, the 2 cylinders at the same time compressed air. Powerful and fast inflatable. List number 3. Ulti Air Compressor Kit. Heavy-duty fast inflating design. Maximum pressure 150 psi. Airflow 6.353/min. Suitable for cars, bikes, motorcycles, RVs, subs, ATV, and trucks. This 12V air compressor powers directly from your vehicle's battery with a 6.5 of heavy-duty power cord and alligator clips. Include a 26-foot rubber air hose. Quick-release 26-foot rubber air hose. 6.5 FT power cord with battery clamps. 3 nozzle adapters. Thumb lock adapter. Heavy-duty nylon tool bag. List number 4. GOBEGE 12V Portable Air Compressor Heavy Duty. This 12V off-road air compressor equipped with a pure copper movement, 540W oil-free direct drive motor, offers a generous airflow rate 5.65 CFM. Excellent continuous cycle times of 40 minutes at 40 psi. It is absolutely an excellent choice for those who require super quick tire inflation and heavy-duty jobs. This air compressor surface is made from high-quality metal, comes with a high-performance cylinder. Not only does it offer a max working pressure of 150 psi with a generous airflow, List number 5. IKER Portable Air Compressor. Air compressor is heavy-duty double-cylinder design that inflating faster than single-cylinder. Maximum pressure 150 psi. Airflow 70L/min. Inflate standard vehicle tire in 2 minutes. Tire inflator use more stable motor effectively reduce the vibration and noise. And rubber feet to make sure the 12V air pump stays where it is placed. The portable air pump match 4 different nozzles and with battery clamp. The air compressor suitable for car, truck, bike, motor, and EV, sub, etc.